Hi, I'm Dan with Off Leash Canine Training in Toledo, Ohio. Today I'm working with Oakley. Oakley is a 9-month-old golden retriever. He got signed up for the 2-week board and train program to help control his strength and overexcitability. He jumps when he gets excited, pulls on the leash during walks, and is strong enough to where he's actually pulled down his owner. He also understands some command, but doesn't have any stability or reliability. So we're going to work with Oakley over the next 2 weeks, teaching him obedience commands, like sit and place, to help curb some of his high energy, and teach him how to properly heel on a walk, so he doesn't pull anybody down or get into any other dangerous situations. Check out how Oakley did over the past 2 weeks.